This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. College students often face myriad challenges in their studies, such as drug abuse, obesity, terminal diseases, and psychological problems. Students with health complications are disadvantaged in academic activities. Most students often seek medical treatment for physical and psychological problems. However, most of them are oblivious to the fact that they can avoid many health complications by performing regular exercises. Although students engage in various activities such as watching movies, reading novels, shopping, and interacting with each other, most of them disregard physical activity as a form of leisure. Therefore, students who dislike physical activities such as games and sports should change their attitude because they risk having physical and psychological challenges, including poor academic performance. This essay discusses the benefits of conducting physical exercises. Advantages of exercise. Medical research indicates that physical exercise has the following benefits for the well-being of an individual. Many college students are grappling with the challenge of being overweight because they have poor diets. Although there are various approaches to dealing with obesity, conducting regular bodily exercise is arguably the best solution to this challenge. Physical activities facilitate the burning of extra body fats, which accumulate in the body over time. Therefore, regular engagement in physical activities is the most sustainable way of managing weight loss. Although losing weight is as difficult as paying debts, it can be overcome through dedication and consistent exercise. Most heart complications can be avoided or reduced by regular exercise because the heart is one of the body organs that needs to be active to function efficiently. Physical activities can repair impaired blood vessels by eliminating bad fats that clog them. Exercise also relaxes arteries, hence making the heart function properly. Moreover, simple activities such as walking, running, jogging, and swimming can prevent or mitigate hypertension. Intensive academic tasks often fatigue many college students. Prolonged fatigue leads to a lack of concentration in class and depression. Although many people often use tranquilizers to alleviate fatigue, they only feel better for a short duration. Interestingly, body exercise is the best therapy for fatigue and depression because it relaxes the brain and boosts self-esteem. Respiratory complications such as common colds and asthma can be mitigated by engaging in activities that generate body heat. When the body is warm, the respiratory tract functions well. Moreover, exercise boosts body immunity for several minutes. Health specialists often propose swimming as one of the most viable exercises for asthmatic individuals. Diabetes is one of the complicated diseases that is increasingly affecting the youth since most of them have adopted sedentary lifestyles. Activity lessens cholesterol and insulin as well as weight loss, which can enable diabetics to avoid further complications such as circulatory disorders. Research findings by Seattle Cancer Research Center shows that approximately 35% of cancer deaths are linked to overweight inactivity. Exercise facilitates digestion and elimination of toxic substances from the body, which can trigger irregular growth of cells. In addition, high concentrations of estrogen hormones that often trigger breast malignancy among women can be eliminated easily through physical activity. Many people use beauty-enhancing products to make them look young and beautiful, but such products are prepared using lethal chemicals that can cause side effects such as skin disorders. Exercise is a good alternative to being young and beautiful. For example, young, overweight individuals can easily be mistaken for adults. Exercise facilitates the transmission of blood in the body and mitigates the danger of stroke. Research findings reveal that active individuals are 27% less likely to suffer from stroke compared to sedentary people. Moreover, the brain works better when it receives a constant flow of oxygenated blood, and this process can be enhanced by exercise. A research finding by the University of Illinois showed that activity stimulates the growth of nerve cells in the memory component of the brain. Medical studies reveal that active individuals experience good sex life because they have better blood transmission, which enhances libido and performance of their sexual organs. Furthermore, the relaxing effect of exercise on the brain facilitates sexual activity. Conversely, since the brain influences sexual activity, depressed people do not enjoy sex. The American Council of Exercise points out that a physically active individual has natural Viagra. Lastly, sleeping can be enhanced by activity because it alleviates headaches, stress, and insomnia. Exercise also helps in activating endorphins, which alleviate pain and improve emotional health in the body. Conclusion. This essay has revealed the benefits of engaging in activity. Therefore, it is evident that the majority of health complications can be avoided through regular activity. Consequently, people should drastically change their attitude towards bodily activities because they are beneficial to their mental and physical well-being. People should be more creative to make bodily activities interesting. Therefore, it can be concluded that activity provides good therapy for the human body. If you want to find more works like this essay on the benefits of physical activity, head over to ivpanda.com. It has a collection of samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects.